Touch your feet on the floor.
Oh shit, I don't want to rotate, do I?
There, someone fits in this thing other than me. What?
I'm going faster, help me.
Touch your feet to the floor.
I can't.
Sure you can. Stretch them downward.
It hurts.
Fine, I'll come over and stop you.
I got it. Spinning.
Yeah, that you are doing.
Oh, this is awesome.
You're hanging from a ceiling fan.
Not something I normally get to do. I feel dizzy from looking up at the fan.
Well, don't do that. Entertained yet?
Slightly.
Bang! Oops. Well, I thought it would hold you.
Dear YouTube, if I die, blame Midget.
Stop.